Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your friendly neighborhood Armenian back with another video. If you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Vahe and this is my 2020 Toyota Supra. We basically do anything car related, car reviews, and of course tons of Toyota Supra content. In this video what I'm going to be covering is a lot of you have asked, how much did I get my Supra for? Did I pay over sticker? Did I pay an obnoxious dealer markup? This in my hand is actually the window sticker just to show you all proof of what I paid for. So stick around, hope you enjoy, and cue that intro. Alright you guys, I'm going to do this sitting in the Supra, kind of hunched over. It's kind of tight and low over here, so bear with me here. Alright, so as I mentioned, I have the window sticker of my 2020 Supra, and I'm going to cover basically whatever options I have, what I paid for it exactly. And so what I'm going to be covering that is on the window sticker is just a breakdown of all the options that I have on the car, all the additional bits and pieces that I have, the total price of the car, and then the final out the door with taxes and everything price for those that are interested with Massachusetts tax, of course. Here is the window sticker. There you go, see if you can make that out with the price and the options. If not, no big deal, I'm gonna go over it anyways. My Supra model, so basically this model is the premium package. So there's three different tiers right now, at least in the United States. All three options come with the 3-liter inline-6 turbocharged motor. So that's the same, the transmission is the same. Really the only difference comes down to the seat cover material, the sound system package, the infotainment screen, and some small bits and pieces, as well as the brake caliper color and a very, very minimal difference in brake size in the rear between the base and the other options. So you have the base, the premium, and then the launch edition in the United States. So the base Supra with no additional options comes around $49,900, so roughly $50,000, and that's before destination and fees and all that stuff. So you're looking roughly at $50,000 MSRP. Premium package that I have starts at $54,000, and that's before any options again and fees and all that stuff. And then you have the launch edition, which comes with different wheels. You get a carbon fiber plaque right here on the passenger side with a numbering of which one of 1,500 launch editions you have, as well as a signature from Tada-san from Toyota as well. And that starts roughly around $56,000. My package that I have here, the premium, has starting MSRP at $53,990, and then I added the driver's assistance package for $1,195, which basically adds the dynamic radar guidance system, the lane watching assist or lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring. And I also added the wheel locks for $65 and then a cargo mat for $80. I didn't really ask for that. I think this one just kind of came with it. The final thing that was added on was the delivery processing and handling fee. So most cars get this. If you can get this waived, that's awesome, but I mean, this is something that I wasn't gonna really haggle with since I was getting the car at the price that I did, which totals to $56,260. So basically I got this entire car for MSRP, not a penny over, and unfortunately not a penny under. But with all the hype with the new Supra, whether you call it bad or good hype or whatnot, the average dealership has been marking up any version of the Supra ridiculous amounts, whether it's $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. I've even seen some go for $50,000 to $60,000 over sticker. Damn! That's insane. And believe it or not, some people are buying it. It's obnoxious, but I didn't have the means to spend $100,000 on a Supra. As much as I love this car, and I mentioned how much I love this car, there are other cars in the $100,000, even the $80,000 price range that just I would prefer to have over this. To be honest with you, and that's my opinion. But there's no way I would have paid that much money over sticker, because there's no way I would have seen that money come back if I decided to sell the car or anything like that in the future. So there's no way I was going to take a $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 depreciation hit right out the door, and it just made no sense to me. So I'm really lucky that I was able to get the car at MSRP. Really thankful for the dealership that worked with me since day one when I put my deposit down, and they honored their word. So I put my deposit down and they agreed at MSRP all the way through the date that I picked up the car, and lo and behold, they honored MSRP yet again. So I'm really thankful for that. The pricing, in my opinion, was pretty good, pretty spot on for what this car is. It's proven out to be an amazing machine overall, very fast, very fun, very luxurious and capable overall, and it just looks amazing and pretty premium. So I think the price tag, if you can get it at MSRP, is a good deal. So I hope that answered some of your questions as far as how much my Supra cost me to purchase. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Really appreciate the support. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Got tons of Supra content coming very, very shortly. Tons of stuff that's going to be happening in this car in the next 2 weeks. Don't want to say too much just yet, but if you're interested in sneak peeks, I reveal a bit more on my Instagram page at NEMotoGuy. But thank you all so much for watching. Until next time. Peace. Oh yeah, one thing I did forget to mention, I was kind of rushing to beat the rain here, the taxes basically I paid, so the overall out the door price that I paid for my car. So as I mentioned earlier, I paid $56,260 total MSRP with the delivery and processing fee all included in the car for my premium 2020 Toyota Supra. With taxes, it was roughly came to around $3,000. So overall, out the door, Massachusetts sales tax is at 6.25% right now. So I paid just under $60,000 total for the car, so that was something that I was okay with paying. I mean, taxes are taxes, it sucks in this state, but it's still significantly less than what most people were paying for this car, and so I didn't get any markup, so in case anyone was asking. So basically I paid just under $60,000, and I'll get that exact number and I'll put it up here. I forgot to bring that sheet, I apologize, but I will get the exact to the penny dollar amount and I'll post it right up here so you guys have it. So there you go, thank you. And now I'm getting drenched. Here's what I'm gonna cover. So I have the